bumigay yung aking spring. Kailangan kong palitan. Mayain natin ko ulit yung aking spare part. Baklasin na lang muna natin. Okay, my parts delivered today. Okay. Mamaya, simulan ko na. Nagawa na yung garage door.
Daddy,
Yes,
I will go down.
I'll go down na. Go down.
Careful. That's so heavy, dirty. And we have a short things. A lot of short things. And a hills. And I got a very long thing at. Hey, Mom! Mommy, Daddy, say something. Hey, Mommy, Daddy, say something. That's my Mommy, Daddy, say something. This is Chris's pocket. It's okay. It's okay. Lazy feet. See? I smelled it. Ew! How weird, dirty chocolate. Mosquitoes. Daddy!
Yes.
Let's check your smell first.
Later. Malaglag ka.
Papa! Come here.
Something.
Broken. Scooters. So fast. On the top. Octopuses. Use this section. Wow, triangle shape.
Papa, don't break. You're pawis. No more now. Sit here so you don't get pawis. Because there's sand in there and it's so heavy.
Because we got a lot of things. Wow, so many things here. One. Wow, octopus with boogie beats and sand. And
Meow, meow.
This is a beat.
Yeah.
Nail polish.
Yeah. What color?
Here's
What color?
balloon. Wow, Daddy.
Daddy has no socks.
That's mommy stuff.
Stop.
You wear mommy stuff right here? No, no.
1, 2, 3.
No, just slowly. Oh, this one, like this.
1, 2, 3,
Oh, mabagal lang. 1,
1.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, hindi kasi tatama pag wala nun eh.
Pero okay lang yan isa.
Oo, isa lang naman.
Try mo muna, huwag mo na ganun, tingnan mo muna. Pag kulang ka na adjust.
Yun.
Oo, na-shield ba? Na-shield na ano.
Ayan, okay.
Okay na?
Tingnan natin.
Nga.
Yan.
Tingnan natin ang masubukan. Tapos boom! Eh di wow!
Iangat muna natin.
It's one.
It's
It's working! It's working!
Sige, magkano na. Hindi siya ganun kabigat.
Will you mess
Oo,
this
yan.
up?
Teka, teka.
Okay.
May ano na siya.
Okay.
Oh, operation na. Ano na?
Eh, ano? Di ba nakalaki?
Hindi, hindi. Ano yan?
Ayan o!
Hindi nga.
500 save.
Ayun o!
Oy,
Oo, galing! Galing!
Operation!
working na. Oh. You save 500.
Working na!
Magkano na yung bili mo yan? Ayun o!
100
Step
plus
by
na,
step.
no?
Madali lang yung step eh.
Oo, ganun-ganun lang naman pala eh. Sabihin sa nito natin kung ginagawa ng ano nila.
Dumayo nito.
Oh, hindi. Kasama yan sa division.
Oo.
Kasama.
Okay na.
Yung okay lang yung isa kasi at least merong ano,
May
di
spare
ba?
tayo.
Pero,
Okay naman pala kung isa lang.
Oo.
Ay, wag na.
Isa lang naman kasi yung ano.
Oh, yung nakakabit niya isa lang yun.
Ito tago mo to.
Ay, no. Baka magamit
Hindi, hindi na.
Ah, ito
Wala na.
may ano.
Oh, kasi nakadikit na talaga dyan.
Ah, nakadikit. Hindi na siya,
Tapon na talaga yan.
hindi na siya pwede kabit sa ano.
Oo, pag pinagawa mo yan, mahal mo yan.
Ala na. Tapon talaga kasi.
Aabot ka ng halos ano.
Yung labor ito, sila, anong pagawa? 500.
Mahal ang paggawa ng
Yung labor.
hindi po.
Ang
May
mahal.
tama dyan, lipo. Ito, ang spare part, 100 lang yun.
Yung labor ang mahal.
Labor tsaka po.